My name is Dorian Haro. I'm a product manager with Chief, a brand of Legrand AV, and I'm coming to you today from my basement. We've gotten a lot of questions from you all about how to replace the aesthetic insert for the base cover of our AVSFSS or the Tempo floor support system. So I'm going to do this quick how-to video to show you how easy and quick it is to do exactly that. So out of the box, the base cover comes with this fabric, gray heathered fabric aesthetic insert. So if you sit on the floor, you'll see that there are 8 screws that kind of hold it firm into place. And then there's this crossbar that also helps keep it nicely and taut in place. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is to take the screws out. This whole process shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. There we go. One more. All right. So this crossbar just lifts up, slides off, and then the aesthetic insert, you can push it in one way, pull it out. This is what it is. So we kind of describe it as a pillowcase, a pillow in a pillowcase. So the pillowcase is going to be your fabric. And there's a plastic insert here in the middle that kind of acts as the pillow. So if you want to swap out the fabric for whatever your interiors department approves or wants to use, you can just have it made to the right size. All the specs are in the tech drawing or in the installation manual. You can get that done and then swap it out, put it into the put the pillowcase over the pillow, put it back in, and you've got a new fabric to go with. But what I want to show you is something a little bit different. I'm going to put this aside. What I've got here is a laminate. So this one just happens to be a 1/2 inch laminate with the grain showing upwards like that. So to get that in there, just again slide it in one end to the one side, slide it back out, make sure it's all the way to the bottom. Take a look at the screw holes and make sure that you've got some area there to get it screwed in. Put the top crossbar back in and take the screws and put it back in. Just want to be careful not to screw it too far in. These are just to keep it in place. There we go. Oh, I went too far with that one. 2 more. Last one. So now when I turn it around, we've got a nice new finish on your base cover. So hopefully you see with that it only takes a couple minutes to get that changed out, or if you prefer to have a different fabric, that's also something quick and easy to do. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to take a look at our website, legrandav.com. Reach out to your local sales representative or get in touch with our customer care team. Thank you.